Alright, y'all, so hopefully today is my last day having braces on my teeth. I'm actually headed to the orthodontist right now to get them off. I think last time I was excited about getting my braces off, and they told me that it wasn't ready yet. I had to wait a bit longer, so hopefully this time it's time. I'm excited. I'm hungry too, so I'm hoping this don't take long. My appointment is at 10 and it's actually 9:58, so I'm actually about to pull up right now. For some reason, this dentist office is really like strict about no photography, no pictures, no videos. I'm like, why? Y'all doing some crazy stuff that I need to record or I need to see? And that's another reason I'm happy I don't have to deal with this no more, because I'm like, this is ghetto. Ghetto. So yeah. I'm about to go ahead and head up here. Give me some good news. Why you got this? I'm hungry, guys. I need some water. Alright, so I just pulled up. Let's go ahead and head in, guys. Wish for good news, hope for good news. And let me give y'all one last close-up, because this is the last time y'all gonna see me with some braces. Yay. Okay, look. Y'all see me? Look. Power chains at the top and bottom, baby. I don't have my elastics in because I took them out. Because I'm like, it's only one last hour. Not gonna hurt. So, no, but for I'm out. I gotta go. It's my appointment time right now. So it took me a little while to get back here, but I'm finally here. It's about 10:45 now. I'm like, dang, how long is it gonna take? So I'm waiting on somebody to come in here. We're about to do some x-rays first to get these babies off. I'm ready. Let's get it. Yeah, I'm really scared, okay? Look at these tools they got.
Oh, it's not doing nothing.
Okay. Guys, look at my... I feel, right? Yeah, I feel weird, but I feel good.
I feel like no poking this thing.
Oh, look at my teeth. Okay, guys, look at this. And the process was like really super quick. It was like maybe 30 seconds. That's it. Oh my gosh, look at my teeth. Oh, I miss it. Look at this. So it is like some glue on my teeth, but they about to like get all of that off with this little tool. But OMG.
Alright, you ready?
Yes.
It's kind of messy, right?
Okay. Oh goodness.
And it tastes not.
It don't taste good?
Yes,
oh.
It doesn't taste good. Okay? Open. Sorry. Keep open. Oh, no. Keep open.
Okay, so I'm just back in the car after getting my braces off or whatever. Woo! Are y'all ready for the reveal? Are you ready for the reveal, honey? About to show y'all my brand new smile. About to be smiling at everybody now. Just walking around smiling, just cheesing for no reason. Are y'all ready to see what we've been waiting for about a year and a half, almost 2 years? Ready? Let's see. Ting! I'm cute. I'm cute. Cute. Look at me. Look at me. No braces. What? No braces. No braces. Nuns. Okay, yeah. I feel really good, guys. I'm very happy with my results. Yeah, no. Yeah. Feels very good, and I'm about to go now, and I just want to show y'all my experience. And this is me with no braces. Ooh, girl, I feel good. I feel good. I'm about to go eat. All right, see y'all later. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe. We out. Hey y'all, what's up? Today it's gonna be a very short video. I just wanted to show you guys how the process went of me getting my retainer for the first time. I got my braces off maybe almost was it a week? It's been 7 days, so it's definitely been a week already. So I got my braces off then, and now I'm just I need to get my retainer in. So I'm here outside the place now, about to walk in. So I just want to pop this video on so y'all can see the process. Hopefully they let me record, because they real iffy about that sometimes. Sometimes they'll let me record, sometimes they be like no cameras. So I'm just gonna go with the flow and see how it's going. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we're gonna get right into the video. See y'all later. Yes. 2. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, they're off now.
They're good, huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And this one, same thing to fit well, huh?
Yeah.
How you feel?
Feel good. It's a little tight.
Yeah, at the beginning it feels tight, but later on it's kind of loose.
Okay.
It's your box. When you don't wear them, wash them off, put in the box.
Gotcha.
Don't loosen it. That's costs like $300. So be
Oh
careful.
goodness. Okay. I'll make sure. Thank you. And I wear it what all day every day?
Full time every when you take them out, and then at night, next month, after next month you start wearing only at nighttime only.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Yay. I don't like this. That was easy and quick. I just got a little, make me talk a little different. So that was easy and quick. So I do have the retainer on my teeth. You really can't see it, but you can definitely hear it. It feels weird, but it's clear. You can barely see it though. It's pretty cool, actually. He did inform me that this retainer costs $300. So ain't gonna be no losing, ain't gonna be no misplacing. If you lose this, it's $300. Who got $300? One thing I can say is that it does feel really weird. Okay, so it's very smooth. It's very like slip. I don't know how to explain it. It's very smooth. It doesn't feel like nothing is poking or anything, but it's just tight. It's very tight. I was supposed to pick it up on Wednesday. They told me that if I couldn't come on Wednesday, which they had already told me late, so I couldn't come, they told me to just come Friday, which is today. So it's been 7 days. Since then, I haven't worn anything on my teeth, so my teeth are really like, I feel like they already had started to move. It don't take long for your teeth to move, like if it's nothing stopping them or whatever. So yeah, I feel like my teeth did move a little bit, but with the retainer, it's gonna put it right back into place. He did say that for the first month straight, you have to wear the retainer every single day, every single night. But after that month pass, you can switch to only wearing your retainer when you sleep. So that's very, very, very good. Because I was like, bro, I'm not about to be wearing this retainer every day for the rest of my life. No. But I will wear it at night. So that's really cool. And that's it. It's crazy because, like, as I've been sitting here talking, making this video, my teeth has started to like not be so tight so much. Like, it's kind of loosened up a little bit. Like when he first put it on a couple minutes ago, it was really, really, really tight. So but now it's not that bad. I guess I'm just getting used to it or whatever. But yeah, it's really not that bad. That just shows you how quick your teeth can move and shift and move around or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and in this video, I wanted to just show you guys the process of me getting my retainer in and all of that and how it feels and all of that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoy, y'all. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye.